this video will help you to register your name in Microsoft Team, and it is compulsory to all the students. You have to register your name in Microsoft Team. So, so I'm showing you detailed steps, step by step, how to register your name in Microsoft Team. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do? The Microsoft Team has given us user ID and password to each and every student. Okay, you can say this is the email ID, or you can say this one is the user ID. So check this one. Suppose these are the names. Mario Gupta, this is the name, and this is the user ID. This one is the Mario Gupta @sirc.onmicrosoft.com, and password is has 95212. Suppose next example, Noitik Giri. So Noitik Giri @sircrgp.microsoft.com and NOY 57408. So this one is the password. Like that, each and every student have unique user ID and password. And this user ID and password is not duplicate. If one user ID and password is allotted to the particular student, so this will be not allotted to the another student. So this is given by the Microsoft Team. Don't worry. Next step is that what you have to do. First of all, you have to download the Microsoft Team from Play Store. Okay. By the help of the Play Store app, you have to download Microsoft Team app in your Android mobile. Okay. When your Microsoft Team is installed in your mobile, automatically a icon symbol will display. So this icon symbol will display automatically. Clear? Now you have to open this particular application or particular app. You can say app or application, or you can say icon. Okay, so you have to open this one. This one you have to open it. When you will open these things, automatically this symbol, this window will come. This window will come. Enter your work, school, or Microsoft account and sign in address. Then this is sign in, and not on Team 8. Learn more. Sign up for free, like that. This window. So don't go through this one. Don't go through this one. Now you have to type here whatever the user ID, and whatever the user ID you have to type these things. What is the user ID? What are the user ID in our example? So let's check what are the user ID. First of all, you have to note this thing. First of all, you have to note the user ID and password properly. So this is the, suppose I am taking the example of the Naitik Giri. Suppose I am taking. So it is not down. First note down this. First note it down that NAITIKGIRI @SAIERC dot on Microsoft.com. So this is my user ID. And next thing is the next, you have to remember this. What is the next thing is your that it's an user ID. This one is your user ID. Note it down. Then next password. You have to note this thing. Next you have to note the password. Okay. Next you have to note down the password. Now password, note down it properly. N capital, then O small, then O Y small, then 5, then after that 7, then 4, 0, 8. Okay. So this one is our ID. This one is the ID. This one is your ID, and this one is your password. This one is your password. This one is your password. You have to note it properly. This thing you have to note down properly. Check each and every character, whether this N is capital or small. Where NAI, let's see, I've written wrong. NAIRIK I've written. NITIK. NITIK. Okay. So 1 second we have to note down like that. 1 second I have to note down properly. NAITIK GIRI @SAIERC dot on Microsoft.com. So this is my user ID, and this one is my password. Okay. So this thing you have to type after installation. Now you have downloaded this Microsoft Team from the Play Store. After that, automatically this icon of this application will display on your screen. Upon this one, upon this window will come. Now here you have to type this the user ID. You have to type. You have to type here in this place. You have to type. Which place? In this place you have to type. In this place. Which thing you have to type? This thing. This user ID. Then you have to click on the sign in. You have to click on sign first. Okay. After that, you have to click on when you click on the sign in. When you click on the sign in, when you click on the sign in, then which window will be displayed? This will see. Then click on sign in. When you click on the sign in, now this window will display. So this screen will display. So enter password. Now what you have to do? Now you have to type the password. Which password? So this is the password. This password you have to type over here. This password you have to type. NOY574008 you have to type. Then you have to click on what? You have to click on the sign. You have to click on sign. You have to click on sign in. You have to click on sign in. When you click on the sign in, automatically this. If this password is correct, then only it will come. Otherwise, it will say that the wrong password. If this password is correct or user ID is correct, then this window will come. Now current password. Current password means what? Which password you have to give? This which password given or provided by Microsoft Team. This password you type over here. Which thing? NOY. This password. This password you have to type over here. This password you have to type. After that, next is the one. Next is your new password. That means you have to create the password. You have to create this thing. The same for this password. Now type here also. To type confirm password. Whatever the password is given, you will remember or not. For that is confirm password. You have to type. So this password you make capital letter plus small letter plus number. Okay, mix all these things and create the password. And remember this password, particular password. If you want to use this Microsoft Team in other Android mobile, so at that time you need this password, user ID and password. Okay. So now let's see. Let's see next. See. So this one is my provided by Microsoft Team. Now I have created a password. Which one? N capital, A small, I, then I small, T capital, I small, then K capital, then 2, 3, 4. So this type of password. Same password I'm typing here, confirmation password. After that, what have to do? You have to click on sign. You have to click on sign. Okay. After that, we have to click on the sign. That's all. This much you have to do. That means your registration is over. When teacher will take the classes in Microsoft Team, so automatically will join. When you open your app, automatically will join. Otherwise, I will give that another video I will release for how to join in class, online class in Microsoft Team. Okay. Okay. Bye, beta. Bye.